become such a staple item. Do you see the smoke that's coming out?
Time no see.
I don't like packing very much, okay?
IPO? Isn't this like insurance stuff?
These are so cool and I don't have anything like this. What is my life? I'm gonna come back to it later. Guys, I have some news and I'm very excited about it. Stratos and I have decided that we will be moving to Europe for the summer. And the reason I say Europe is because we bought a one-way ticket to Poland right now. That is our only destination on our minds. And afterwards, every week, I feel like we will be going and just exploring new places that we haven't seen before. And I'm literally guys, I'm so excited for it. Honestly, it's just so mind-blowing to think that at this stage in our lives, we can just buy a one-way ticket to anywhere and say, you know what, we're just gonna work from there. Like nothing is planned at the moment. It's just super exciting. So what's gonna be happening is that when we're in Poland, we're gonna pick the next destination, and then when we're at the next destination, we're gonna pick the next one, and so on. I have no idea when we're coming back. Genuinely, like, wow, what is my life, guys? What is life? Let's get it. I'm gonna be starting with the basics that I know I'm not gonna wear within the next 2 weeks. Just put this all over here. So first things first, we have our wedding guest dress. You know what? I'm overwhelmed already. I genuinely hate packing. I wish someone would do the packing for me and I would just tell them, how did this even happen? Guys, how did this even happen? What did I do? Okay, wait. Let me put this around here. What's happening? No. How did this happen? We're through. So we're gonna put this dress on the bottom. Hopefully it's gonna look more organized by the time I finish. Next thing is this set. I wore this last summer. This is from Aritzia. It's very nice. It's like a flowy pant and a vest situation. It's really like a classy look. I don't know how else to describe it. I love a good matching set, and this is one of my favorites to wear just because it's so flowy on the bottom too. And you know how summer you just get sticky and wet, so this is perfect for that. And then the matching vest. The next item is these pants. So I got these pants and I didn't know what to wear them with, so I ended up buying the same color as a vest. So I'm thinking I'll also wear this as a matching set together, or I can even wear this separately with a white pant or just regular jeans. Like, I really like their vests. So the next thing that we're gonna be packing is this Jerf Avenue set that I got years and years ago, but it's become such a staple item. It's just a very nice matching set. Love it. So that's gonna go in. Guys, I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. As I said, I don't like packing very much, okay? I just don't like it. I'm very lazy. I don't like packing. I feel like packing is the most annoying part of the trip. I just want to get my suitcase, get the fuck out. Anyways, the next top is, where's this from? Reformation. Again, staple summer top. Great, perfect. Let's put that in. Amazing. I'm already bored. See, this is why I start packing 2 weeks in advance. This is literally why. And yeah, I'm exaggerating, but anyways. Kukai top, basic white, beautiful. Wow. Next, what is this one? What is this? Oh, another Kukai one. I love this. This is like a single shoulder top and it goes down, and I wear this with like linen pants over it or with jeans even, and it looks fire. Next, we have Kukai, another Kukai top. You basically unsnap these, put it right here. The back is open. Gorgina. Let's put that too. Boom. And then, okay, this is the same Aritzia top that I had mentioned, the vest, but this one is in white. And last year I wore this with this matching linen. I mean, what am I saying? Matching linen? What the fuck? So last year I wore this with this pants that I got from Mango. These are like, I don't think these are exactly linen, but they look like they're linen and they look really good together. So I can't wait to style them the same way this summer. Put that in as well. And this top is from Aritzia. This is a new purchase. Also backless, and there's like a clasp right here. Very cool, very cutesy, very girly. This genuinely happens to me every time I'm packing. I pack some things and then I just get so bored by it, and then I take my phone and I scroll on TikTok for like, I don't know, like 2 hours until I reach a point that I can't do that. So then I stress pack last minute and I always end up forgetting 1 or 2 things, and then those things I end up buying at the location that I'm at. So anyways, we're trying something new, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it right now. So we're just gonna leave it at this point then. And here is how my suitcase is looking 2 weeks out. Yeah, honestly, we'll just do more later. I don't want to do this right now. Hi guys, so it is the next morning. I completely just stopped packing yesterday and I just like ignored everything. I'll show you real quick. It's like literally on the floor. I've left it here. I'm gonna ignore it for now. We're gonna come back to it later, hopefully within this week. What we're doing today is I'm just waiting on my boyfriend. I want to go on a quick little walk with him. We're probably gonna grab some coffee and then walk to this cute little park. There's some ducks around and some turtles and everything. So every time we go to this park, I'm like, I wish I had something to feed them. And this time I have a bunch of bread downstairs that are a few days old, I would say. So I'm thinking of blending them and making them into little crumbs so we can feed the ducks. I also want to show you guys my new sunglass purchase. I really love it. I think I'm gonna wear it today. So I got these from Tom Ford. These are so cool and I don't have anything like this. And I think it's gonna be really cute for summertime. We're downstairs in the kitchen now. I'm just gonna get a blender for the bread. I think 2 should be fine, right? I just hope. I mean, I need to figure out a better way to put these in. I'm gonna try to cut these in small pieces to see if they fit better here, and we also can prevent it breaking or something. These are already hard as it is, so it's gonna be even harder to cut. Let's try our best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we just start with this first, or no? I just want to stuff it all in there. I ended up putting the bread in here. I hope it works well. Oh shit, no. Never mind. I'm gonna try another way. Do you see the smoke that's coming out? Okay, I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it until my boyfriend comes and we'll deal with it then. What?
Did you burn it?
Wait, what?
Did you burn it?
Burn it?
Yeah, did you like keep trying to do it to the point that the motor started heating up?
Maybe. Don't do it again.
What are you doing?
I don't think it's gonna work well. What?
Did you fuck it up?
But I wouldn't do it again if I were you.
Did you do it for a long time?
No.
You can keep pressing it?
No, why would I keep pressing it?
So it does work. It's just, it's not good enough. Yeah, this is not gonna happen, so we just need to do it by hand. How many do you want to do this?
Like all of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
You better help me then, what the hell? Here.
Okay.
It's a lot.
Long time no see.
No.
Hey. My sister just finished her 2nd year in college today, so she packed up all her stuff and decided to meet us at Blue Bottom.
Yeah,
So
crazy.
we're hosting a homeless person at the moment.
Bro.
And they have surrounded us right now.
I want to give you your gift. Here you go.
Thank you. I'm so curious.
It
think-
feels like a shoebox.
I think you need it.
Let me
Right,
You
Ellie?
gave me new shoes.
Ellie, don't you think she needs it?
She definitely needs it.
I have to tell you something after because I think she also got me shoes. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Thank you very much.
Do I know what this is?
No, you don't.
No, it's just-
I'm a little anxious because I'm scared if it doesn't fit you.
This is so cute. I actually need some more swimsuits.
Yeah.
I actually really like this.
They're really cute.
Yeah, they look really nice. Please use them well and don't get them dirty, please. Why are you laughing? I said please.
Yeah, I'll try my best. I'll give you $100 right now if you can guess what IPA stands for.
IPA? Oh, I know. Indian Pale.
Ale.
Yes. Indian Pale Ale.
You didn't guess. She guessed for you, so I'm not giving you $100.
Think
I'll
we don't
give you
know?
$100 if
Yeah.
you guess what IPO stands for.
Indian Pale.
So this
No.
is not a beer term.
Yeah, this is not a beer. IPO? Isn't this like insurance stuff?
No.
What is this? What is IPO and what genre is
Stock
this?
market stuff.
Oh my gosh. International. Institutional or international? Polymarket.
Polymarket.
I don't know, bro. I don't know what P could stand for. Public
That's a good one, yep.
officer. No. Offering. No, she's not helping me. It's either international public offering or institutional public offering. What else could be I? Is the I good?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, what is it?
Initial public offering.
Oh.
Bruh. I got public offering though.
Through me.
LOL.
For example, like let's say Tesla stock before it became public, so you
Yeah.
can trade it on Robinhood or
Anyways, no one wants to hear this, so.
Bruh.
Guys, also, people say, so I wear the same glasses as hers, so whenever we're outside, I don't have it on right now. Whenever we're outside, they ask us if we're twins. And I do see that we do look alike. Take off your glasses real quick. Yeah, we do really look alike, but I am 9 years
9 years
older.
older. Yeah, we're not twins. I think I look younger right now. I think I look 17 instead of 19.
Wow, big difference, guys. They think I look 17 when I'm 28.
Bro, yeah. We'll see how old I will look when I'm 28.
Take a shot every time she says bro, by the way.
I'm drunk.
You'll
already.
actually, no, you'll go blackout and you'll die.
Gen
You'll
Z, if you
overdose.
cannot, if you
Seriously.
can't understand.
Here we have some prime.
That looks insane. That's honestly, it's very big.
Yeah. This is a prime ribeye with a bone in right here.
And what is the temperature in there?
I think around 135 or 140.
No, what temperature were you going for?
135.
Not the temperature, Strunos. What cook were you going for?
Medium to medium rare, and it is, I'm right, 133, and I said 135.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna judge you like we're Gordon Ramsay right now.
Yes.
Wow.
Melissa.
You guys like my commentary?
That's really good.
I'm taking that